morning, welcome to Soneva Kiri. My name is David. I'm the executive chef of this amazing property. I've been here 10 months in Thailand. In my career I trained at the Dorchester in London. I was 20 years in London working in 5-star hotels, and then went on to work in Germany, Russia, Moscow, Saudi Arabia, Maldives and Thailand. I've also been private chef to Claudia Schiffer in UK, and this is my next project. And working in Thailand, the people are amazing, the project is fantastic, and we've got a lot to do. Low season here, when it's raining, a lot of companies will maybe just make you take holidays, etc. But as a promotional offering, guests who spend a lot of money or repeat visitors to Soneva, both Maldives and here, we offer them a private dinner in their home, wherever they live in the world. And so the French sommelier from Soneva Fushi and myself, the executive chef from here, we went to 7 different countries in the whole of September and did events in Moscow, in Norway, in London, in Madrid, Germany, Austria. Incredible amount of events, very packed. To see the guests in their own home, it was a great experience. One thing I like to do when talking to guests is that we have our ice cream room and our chocolate room. So with the ice cream room, I get guests to come up with some crazy flavour, and then I will make the ice cream normally within 24 hours, and as a challenge. It's a bit of fun, but it also comes up with some great combinations which now go onto our menus. So we try and introduce 10 new flavours per month, but the last one was grilled mango and goat's cheese ice cream, which was super interesting. Took me 2 days to get it, but then we did an unveiling and we did a launch with the guest and the video, and it was fantastic, actually really good, and now it's on the menu.